this is going to be the first video of our new channel called The Ant Wizard Show. Yes, it does sound really weird, like he's the ant wizard. Like he controls all ants and stuff with a magic wand. But no, that's not what it is. But what it is that it's going to be a show about us two before we release our show called The Vid Dog, which will be much cooler, explosions, and you can see our preview in this box. Alright, so to get started, what do you want to do?
Let's go grab my brother.
Follow us!
Follow us, Cameron.
Hey, get off of there! Hey, get off of there!
Get ready.
Wait! I have an idea.